Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create the course reflections portrait, a Junji Ito inspired horror effect made with Google Gemini's Nano Banana. It's totally free, super easy, and you can make this eerie split face portrait using your own photo. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this, and then just log in with using your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image to activate the nano banana, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is Google latest feature that lets you transform or edit photo instantly using just a text prompt. Next, just upload your photo. Just pick a clear centered portrait for the best result. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then next, let's type a prompt. Before, I already prepared one prompt like this. And then you can copy my prompt, and but feel free to tweak the prompt as you like to match your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this, your cursed reflections face is ready. Creepy but strangely beautiful, right? The mix of realism and surreal horror gives that unmistakable Junji Ito vibe. It's perfect for Halloween pose or horror-inspired edits. And okay, so that's how you make the cursed reflections portrait using Google Gemini's Nano Banana tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!